All the openings on the unitard need to be hemmed. Or that's not true. You could leave them without hemming them, but your finished unitard won't look as professional as when you hem it. And this is just hemmed with a straight stitch machine. So one side, I line it up and cut off the tab. And then I hem this neck and the opening in the back, and I'll be ready to put on the sleeves and finish this unitard. Here we go to hem that. Here's the very top of the neck with a tab where I'm going to put a piece of Velcro right here. What I want to do is do a double fold right there and hem along that, and this will be actually at the top of my neck, much like a turtleneck. So here we go, a double fold on there. And you notice I'm not using pins at all. With Lycra, it's much easier to sew without pins because the pins just kind of get in your way.